aside from the situation that I mentioned earlier, there was no necessarily one specific person that was like throwing a tantrum about it. But it's just kind of the general vibe. And when I say that, it's just the hushed grumbles and the, if you know, you know, kind of a thing. But I think it's not even necessarily one situation that shifted um, that vibe or that mindset. I think it was a combination of things. I think it was communication and transparency during install. And when I say that, I'm referring to, I know we had discussed this, our mechanics being the ones to do the installation, I think was huge for us because our mechanics work so closely with our drivers, obviously, and they're in direct communication all of the time. So I think, you know, it's easy for us to send out a memo or, tell everybody, oh, there's no audio and there's no camera on you. We promise, right? And while that is true, does everybody necessarily trust us implicitly when we say things like that? No, they're very weary of their privacy and those things, understandably. So I think for our mechanics to be the ones to be installing the units themselves and to be able to see where and which cameras are functioning and what views they're able to see, and be able to vouch to the drivers and say, yeah, no, there's only a backup camera and a front facing dash cam. There is no in-cab camera. So it's not just coming from management, but from, the boots on the ground, um, who are often, more trusted, I think, when it comes to things like that sometimes than just the powers that be.